Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a significant development in India's electoral landscape, the Union Cabinet's approval of the One Nation One Election proposal. This initiative, backed by a committee led by former President Ramnath Kovind, aims to conduct simultaneous elections for the Lok Sabha and state assemblies across India. The main purpose of this proposal is to reduce the frequency and cost linked with elections. Prime Minister Modi has been a strong advocate for this idea, arguing that frequent elections can impede national progress. To understand this proposal better, let's look at the past. India last experienced simultaneous elections in the early 1950s through the late 1960s. However, early dissolutions of assemblies disrupted this practice. The need for synchronized elections was highlighted again in 1999 by the Justice B.P. Jeevan Reddy led Law Commission. The report from the Kovind Committee submitted in March 2024 lays out several important recommendations. One-time transitory measure. Establish an appointed date after a Lok Sabha election to align state assembly terms with Parliament. Municipal and Panchayat elections. These should be taken place within 100 days following the Lok Sabha and state elections to maintain synchronization. Handling early dissolutions. New elections would only be held for remaining terms if assemblies dissolve prematurely. Constitutional amendments. The proposal includes 18 amendments, most of which do not require state approval, except those relating to unified electoral rolls and voter ID cards. Logistical planning. The Election Commission of India will need to meticulously plan for free and fair elections, coordinating with state election commissions on resources like polling personnel and security. So, what are the potential benefits of this proposal? Here are a few key advantages. Cost efficiency. This approach could significantly reduce financial burdens on both the government and political parties. Stability and growth. Synchronization could enhance investment and drive economic growth. Minimize disruption. Aligning elections would reduce interruptions to government functioning. In conclusion, the approval of the One Nation One Election initiative represents a pivotal moment for India's electoral system. It aims for greater efficiency while balancing the fundamental values of democracy. As the legislative process unfolds, it will be crucial to monitor its impact on governance and public engagement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.